Hey guys, I am here to show you a pre-owned unit. It is a Passport Ultralight. I'm not sure if you know anything about them, but I love their layout, especially in this one. It is a 2018, but again, in great condition. So if you are looking for a coach, might be the one to look at because the price is on point, and it's just a really nice unit. So let's go from the outside in as usual, and you guys tell me what you think. All right, you've got the Passport Ultralight Grand Touring. Again, it's a 2018. The model is M2520. It has one slide on this side, and it has an outdoor shower. It's got a nice long awning over here. You can close this, and it's got speakers on the outside as well, which is always nice. And then you do have your backup camera prep as well. It really is in a great condition, and it is fiberglass as well, so of course it makes it lighter. But let's take a look inside. All right, so right away you can tell that the layout is different, and I do love this layout. I like the flooring, and the color is really nice, but the amount of space that you have for everything is just really, really nice as well. Right here, right away, you have some storage. Of course, these can be moved so that if you do want to hang up clothes or put something else in here, you absolutely have that option. On this other side, we do have a door to the bathroom, which is a nice size. So plenty of room right here to do your thing. I mean, there is just a lot of space in this area, so no worries about bumping your knees when you're sitting on the toilet. All right, so to our left, we've got our living and kitchen. So you've got this nice size U-shaped dinette, which can also turn into a bed, which would be a very big bed. So that's really nice. You've got your theater seating back here. And then you've got this long kitchen counter. So plenty of space over here to do what you need to do, a nice big sink, and then plenty of storage. You got storage on the bottom, and then plenty of storage on the top as well. You got a 3-burner, an oven, and your microwave. And then I love how the windows go all the way around. It gives you that natural light. Plenty of space, and you can see that the slide gives it all that room right here in the middle. And again, for the price, I think it's $18,995. For the price, it's absolutely just an amazing unit. Right here, you've got your kitchen, your refrigerator, which of course gives a lot of space in here to put all your goods, and then of course the freezer at the top as well. And then you've got your entertainment, which is great because you've got your theater seating over here. You've got your U-shaped dinette, which can also turn into a bed or a couch, a nice big couch, with your entertainment right across from it. You got storage on the top and on the bottom. So again, guys, I love this unit. I love the space that it gives. I love the storage that it gives, but you're definitely not going to be crowded in this thing. This is going to go fast. All right, right down here, we've got some more storage. So we can hang up some stuff. Put some storage down here as well. And then on to our master bedroom. So plenty of room. You can hang up, you can put your entertainment right over there, but you can see how much space there is on each side. Plenty of space, guys. You can do, let's see, hang up your clothes here. Some more space. Very nice. And then you've got more storage at the top as well. This nice thick bed, but I love how much space you get in this room. You're not you're not just closed up, and you have room to get dressed, you have room to move around, which is always really nice. And you do have this barn style door, which is also very, very nice. All right, guys, so what do you think of this unit? If you want information, please feel free to reach out. And I believe that these are brand spanking new, so theater seating, you're going to really be relaxing here. But of course, my information is going to be at the bottom. Call, text, email, come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. But you've got to hurry, because for this price and this unit and how great it looks, it's going to go fast. So if you're looking for something, here it is. Come see me. And until next time.